For our Sleepy adventure this time, we've got our iPad with the photos of when we first bought Sleepy. Thought we'd show you the pictures of how we transformed Sleepy from
an excellent John ambulance into a camper van for 4 people. Oh yeah, yellow front.
Fly attracting yellow front.
Yeah.
Silver wheel trims, they're black now. So we sprayed the middles black and used some black hammer finish paint on the wheels.
Getting rid of the lots of stickers on the outside. Many had already been removed, but there was lots of residue still to clean off. So a bit of elbow grease for that,
and a bit of a hairdryer as well.
Yeah.
No, we haven't got that one. Now wash your hands. We took that off, despite the pandemic.
So we made this bit bigger, didn't we? So we could have a bit more light through, and so we could see what the kids were doing, how many sweets they were eating in the back of the van.
And the sink unit, we kept the sink unit where it is, and some camper vans you can swizzle the front chairs round so you can have a bigger space, but we'd got a sink and drawers and cupboard ready made, so we left it all.
The cupboards, the dreaded cupboards. So I spent at least the best part of a day undoing all the screws, only to find that didn't make the ounce of difference. It didn't budge. So you ended up cutting some of it, didn't you, away?
Yeah.
And then just using absolute and utter brute force to try and get some of the cupboards out.
There's some amazing special glue in the ambulance, so things that are stuck in it tend to be stuck in it forever, so you can cut it out. We tried various chemicals, lots of wiggling of the panels, and yeah, like Sarah said, they ended up being cut out. Yeah.
Strong stuff.
Yeah, well built.
Yeah.
Oh, and this is the roof before the solar panels. There's 480 watts of solar panels on there now, which run the fridge and the mobile phone chargers and some of the lighting. There they are, pop riveted and glued in style of Sleepy.
So I remember when we went to have a look at the van as an ex-ambulance, we were all lying down in it, weren't we, to see if we actually fitted, because you're quite tall. So we wanted the height this way, but also it needed to be the height that way. That was quite fun, wasn't it, lying on the floor and imagining how we were sleeping.
And the crazy thing was about Sleepy, there's only 20,000 miles on the mileage clock.
There's the minibus seats that now transport the children. Oh, and there's bits of beds going in. So it was an IKEA king size bed at the bottom, and then you did some magic with some bunk beds that you put side by side in the end to make the top fit beautifully. So it's essentially king size bed on the bottom, king size bed on the top. And there was also lots of working out actually how much headroom there'd be between each one, but it's okay as long as you don't sit up too fast in the night.
Grumbling from the children because the adults got slightly more headroom than the children. And there's the top mattress in there. So yeah, lots of IKEA. Oh,
I think we wanted to put 4 permanent spaces for sleeping in, because we didn't want the faff of having to fold things up, put things out every day. We just wanted to get into bed and be lazy like that. So it's quite good because we've got a seating area and a space for bed, sleep.
And the last picture is our bunting.
Every van's got to have bunting, doesn't it?
Yeah.
And fairy lights.
So remember to plan your own adventure and get out on an adventure yourself. And yeah, thank you for being with us on this Sleepy Not adventure.